Morning. We've been working on the video long time. How about you fertilizing ground, working fertilizer, and about you planting or something. Suppose you find him, want him something you can use him, put him ground, grow him, some flower or kumu you like long him. You can use him tire. Tire na, you can cut him tire. Na put him all one something you like put him inside them. So bam show him how lo cut him tire. Sa tire bam cut him. So bam show him how lo cut him na how lo turn him tire na come up kind of them or this kind na boy plan him or something. Now we ready him tire finish bam cut him tire. Before you cut him tire you put him mark or triangle mark. You can use him knife. So me use him knife no clear too much so bam use him maka look work him slow triangle mark. You work him all illegal triangle mark work him round him mogata taya tamila cut him this all triangle or V shape or W or you can call him one M shape you la call him long M. This la bayu cut him one plus side blow past time. Round him mogata past time. Then you cut him another plus side so by easy lo you. So this la triangle stop long him. Kind of same now. And one black cut him one plak amusem, one plak amusem, one plak cut him amusem go finish round him. Now one black cut him. This la all now barouse him. So you place him knife start lo this la side. You place him knife na you cut him come down osem. And one side and finish. Then you cut him also and you finish him. So look at me cut him. One side me cut him, come inside. The round him got finish. Now one cut him. This la side come join him this la. Cut him this side come join him. Cut him come join him now. By arouse him. You can cut him ogeta. But just lo avoid him lo move ko come you cut him at least inside lo past them. Larem this la panga map stop. You cut him this la side finish now. Then you can cut him rouse him ogeta. So boy me cut him osem. Time you cut him. You can cut him rouse him. You cut him rouse him mogeta. So time you cut him na bilu keme bakam osem bakam loose osem. Time you cut him osem now. Time you cut him osem na bilu keme bakam loose osem. So you continue cutting osem until you finish round him mogeta. Time you cut him around him mogeta ne amba look kind of same. So now me got him two last part lo cut him. But me cut him rouse him now. You can wear him hand glove. So first time you lo walk him but you see some blister. But you see some blister. But you know one remember right. So you must, if you wear a glove, you can wear a glove. So time you cut him rouse him mogata now. And back up kind of him. So yeah. Now we cut him on the side but tire finish. Okay. Some lines are turn him after cut him this low, so turn him straight. But I was first time below walking but you see big bagara blow. Trying to turn him so. What you walk him, you cut him this la. Cut him straight. This la ring ya. You cut him rouse him this plan now. And by walk him easily lo turn him tire. So bam go ahead lo cut him this la. Tire strongly lick. Once you cut him now. You cut him. around him katim na around him mogota na rausim sila inside na bau kemisili lotani time start katim labna na me katim kam around him mosim now mi plani lo katim rausim disla now bai mi tanim disla inside out na bakama plus blow bai mi puti mo na me so putim good now you can wear a shoe or something to protect him with glove. Me walking con andom strong so but me cutting was but big simplista. So some first time way so. Then you cutting rosim na finish now. Okay. Now I'm hot lo pat lo walking. Lo tanim sila tayo. You must kaya good kisim strong good na biyan tanim tayo. Isla mem. Cutting me no hadem lo tanim mem hot lo way walking. So because something you try walking, maybe you must try him low. Bend him. Sometimes also you can push him so, but bend him now. That's where bomb start low. Turn him tire. So you start bend him low one side. And up la walk like. You can see to plaman okay. Am I right? Something and you start him to one side you walk him. You see knee blue help him you bend him. I bend him. And back come to one hand. And time and bend also now. Corner we like low must come up to me. And you must struggle. Turn him go inside now. Hard to walk the so na mito time la walk slow. Mas kaya basta na. You walk in. Namin ka like na mas kam lo dislagay. Kona now. Em sila kona em sa. Habig lo. Tani. So. Me neck dry lick so me drink some nawara basta. Andu babista. Sabse ni pla time lo kim advice saboli lo werim long pla trousers. So ni bli banana simplanti bagara. And what me pla like him, mas like him pla mas bend him kamosem. Bend him kamosem now em. Time em come up lo here now. Em bawa kim isi lo bami pla tanim. Sometimes I come to slap him, sir. Challenge slick. You know, challenge slick. I'm big challenge to start to slap. So, on man getting away blow all of him. We all save lo kim expert we all by talking you. Meet me. Katim tayo meet me line him so. Ini still lo struggle lo tanim. Big something. Like kissing this like konaya inside of Sam go okay now struggle like can I come up now you struggle like put him come inside yeah that's it. Okay, now I'm alright now. Lapan na. Pati mo siya. Tanim na siya. Nice, straight him. Put him na. Tanim na look him. Okay, I'm finished now. flower pot don't all plan him. Mix him ground, plan him. Kai flower. Flower am come up now. Thank you.